What is up, babes and boys? It's the sweet ShonJolie, and today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial. A makeup tutorial. A makeup tutorial. I had vowed to never do a makeup tutorial again simply because they are so like long and just aggravating to edit. I don't like editing them. That's the only problem. Like if I had somebody to edit my videos, I'd be Gucci. Cause that's what takes me the longest. Like I can get in here and record and be done. But today's gonna be a makeup tutorial because you probably would think I'm lying with how many people ask me about my makeup. And always thinking that I'm either wearing like
NARS, Fenty Beauty, MAC of some sort, and baby, all my makeup is cheap.
Drugstore, beauty supply, all that. That's where all my makeup comes from. No lie, like no freaking lie. Makeup has really elevated. Like I really finally found my absolute like best shade, my setting powder, all that good stuff. I got all of that. Yeah, I just thought I'd share this with y'all because you know I be cute or whatever. I don't know if y'all think so, but I be thinking I be cute. Actually I be knowing, but I'm gonna be talking too, so if y'all got a problem with that, you might just want to mute me, but make sure you watch the video, like, share, comment, and subscribe. We're gonna start with, matter of fact, no we're not. I'm gonna do my brows first. This is how I always do my makeup. I'll do my brows and then I'll put on primer because it's like it goes on better. It's like it don't be wanting to show up when I put my primer on and then I do my brows. At this time I don't have a brow pomade, so to substitute I have this jumbo black liner pencil and I just use this angle brush and this is what I do. And it saves me, like I've had this for like so long you have no idea, but it worked, baby. Watch me work. Go ahead and brush these brows out. In the meantime, let's have some girl talk or something. Like I don't even really know what to talk about. Like when I be watching other YouTube videos, they always be having like stories to tell about what be going on and whatnot in their life, and I just be sitting up here like quiet as all get out because I'm a very private person. I'm really Beyonce about mine. Like I am very private. I don't like people in my business. Like real talk, real spiel. You need to be happy by yourself. You need to be like flourishing. When I was in college, I definitely thought I was living a life. But now that I'm not in college anymore, and no, I didn't graduate mainly because I realized that college just was not for me and I did not need it. I'm not gonna act like I didn't learn anything, but it wasn't worth it. I can't say that it was worth going other than for the little bit that I learned. I could have done that on my own. I could have went and like got some textbooks or something like that off the internet and I would have been good, but I can't sit up here and say like, oh yeah, I'd encourage people to go to college and I'd encourage girls and stuff like that to go to college. I'm not here to be anybody's, you know, like mentor or anything like that. If anything, I'm here to be real with you. Like complete real with you. Yes, college put me in debt. College put me behind. College is a choice. That's not something that you should feel like you should have to do because it does not guarantee success. That's just real. Okay, that's better. Now I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my primer and hit 'em up style, like really hit 'em up style. So I'm just gonna get this primer, which I'm gonna use. I do like $8. I'm not sure. I've had it too long. I like it. So don't quote me on the price. I get wrong with videos because like I don't know if I get that price. All my stuff. So now I'm gonna go in with Revlon COLORSTAY 24-hour wear. This in the color 400 and 440 This is for a combination to oily skin. I mix these two together and I make my perfect skin tone. This is what I use. To anybody who watches my videos, who see me out in public, in town and stuff like that, I don't know if anybody watches my videos where I'm from, but if you do, this is the makeup that I use. So stop asking me. As I stated earlier in this video, I do not use high-end makeup. Why? Because I have a child and my money has to go towards more important things, like his future and my future, you know, like all that good stuff. This stuff is really good, and I know a lot of people like to wear their highlight underneath their eyes, like they like to do like the white because of the simple fact that it's brighter. But although it is brighter, you always gonna have hella flashback and you're gonna look crazy like almost 90% of the time. Why did I just go with my contour right there? Forgot I even put that on. But 90% of the time you're gonna have flashback and you're gonna be looking crazy. I had to step away from those powders because I'm just like, okay, yeah, I want that Kim Kardashian highlight, but at the same time I ain't trying to be looking like Casper in all my pictures. I don't do all this to have flashback, you feel me? So we're gonna have to cut that out, ladies. No more brown skin and white translucent powders, because that ain't working for us. That ain't working for us. These medium to dark powders are where we live. This is where we live. I know it's gonna hurt to let it go. Trust me, baby, I know, but we gotta let it go. You know what, y'all? I'm gonna just shut up. I'm gonna shut up because my camera just turned off again. So apparently I just need to. Oh yeah, what I'm about to go in now with is some Rich Kisses stuff. I think I bought this from the beauty supply store. I don't even really know like that. I'm just about to go ahead and put this on. So yeah, I actually did this lip combo backwards. We just gonna do y'all hear this man? He's so silly. But yeah. Oh, I look like a fool. Boy, this is popping. I look good up here. I look good. Y'all can tell me I don't look good. Let me hurry up because I feel like I'm taking forever. But let me go ahead and go in with some mascara on the lashes here. Now I'm about to go in with the hood antics. Yes, I use hair glue to put my lashes on. Why? Because it's convenient and it stays much longer than lash glue. And I know y'all can sit up here and be like, that's unhealthy and that's not good for you and yada yada yada. Do you know how many things that are not good for you that y'all do on a daily basis? For the most part, at least I do eat clean. So, you know, a little wrongdoing here and there. I ain't gonna say it ain't gonna hurt nobody, cause it Okay, honey. Okay, honey. Looks like I did something. And there you have it, loves. There you have it. This is the complete finished makeup look. Please tell me how I look. Do y'all want to see some antics? Like, y'all want to see some me like really doing something? Oh, by the way, the hair that I have in right now is Yu Young Thai hair. This is not the Viva Glam hair, even though I want it back in, but I had to wash that wig and my own hair, so I had to take it off, and I just put this one on in the meantime. Hope you guys like it. I hope it was helpful, even though I was running my mouth through most of this video and it's very like it's unlike me. You know, I've been trying to be professional up here for the most part, you know, because that's what I do. But I wanted to do something a little different, kind of let y'all hear me talk, because most of the time, like, I be talking, but I don't really be talking about, like, I guess, not personal stuff, but you know, just like stuff here and there or whatever. But like I said, this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. I hope that we can do this again sometime, maybe. Probably not. Dang, I still have makeup on the back of my hand. But yeah, that's pretty much it